Central Maryland homeowners, don't skip this home maintenance task. Hi, we're getting down to the last few days for the Maryland Real Estate Professionals Trivia Contest, so be sure to go to www.thefundaymonday.com, and when you get your answer in right away, you could win a $25 Amazon gift card or a $15 restaurant.com gift certificate. Also, be sure and check out our newsletter at www.mdreprosnewsletter.com. It's filled with helpful information, tips, and advice about real estate and just about life in general. Also, have you read this month's blog? It's at www.mdreprosblog.com. Okay, so let's talk about this maintenance tip that you just do not want to avoid. We all fall behind in our home to-do list, but neglecting home maintenance is not only an eyesore, it can be very costly. For example, neglecting your wood siding or your decking can not only lead to sun damage, it leads to water penetration and dry rot or rot. So what are a few of the maintenance tasks that you should never neglect? Roof repairs, HVAC maintenance, and gutter cleaning. Don't let these seemingly small tasks turn into big headaches. In fact, feel free to reach out to myself or anyone else on the Maryland Real Estate Professional team for a referral if you want help tackling some of your home maintenance needs. We'd love to help. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Akuma Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.